How to spot market entry points in Forex trading. Spotting market entry points in Forex trading involves identifying the optimal times to buy or sell a currency pair, aiming to maximize profit potential while minimizing risk. Here are some strategies and tools to help you spot good entry points. 1. Support and resistance levels. Support, a price level where a currency pair tends to stop falling and rebounds due to increased buying interest. Resistance, a price level where a currency pair tends to stop rising as sellers come in and push the price back down. How to use: enter a buy trade when the price is near a support level and a sell trade when the price is near resistance. Look for multiple tests of these levels to confirm their strength. 2. Trend lines and channels. Trend lines: draw a line connecting higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. This visualizes the general market direction. Channels: a parallel trend line can form a price channel, indicating both support and resistance. How to use: enter long positions in an uptrend when the price is near the lower trend line, or enter short positions in a downtrend when the price touches the upper trend line. 3. Moving averages. Simple moving average: the average price over a specific period. Exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to current market conditions. How to use: crossovers: when a shorter period MA crosses above a longer period MA, it's a potential buy signal. The opposite is a potential sell signal. Support resistance: moving averages can act as dynamic support or resistance. Look for price bounces near key moving averages. 4. Technical indicators. Relative strength index, a momentum oscillator that measures overbought and oversold conditions. How to use: enter a buy trade when RSI is below 30 and a sell trade when RSI is above 70. Moving average convergence divergence tracks the relationship between two EMAs and generates bullish-bearish signals. How to use: enter when the MACD line crosses above the signal line or below the signal line. Stochastic oscillator: similar to RSI, it measures momentum and indicates overbought or oversold conditions. How to use: look for buy signals when the indicator falls below 20 and sell signals when it rises above 80. 5. Chart patterns. Head and shoulders signals a reversal. A head and shoulders top indicates a bearish reversal, while a head and shoulders bottom suggests a bullish reversal. Double top bottom: a double top is a bearish reversal pattern, while a double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern. Triangles indicate potential continuation or breakout points. How to use: enter positions after price breaks out of a pattern. 6. Breakouts and fakeouts. Breakouts: a breakout occurs when the price moves above resistance or below support, signaling the potential start of a new trend. How to use: enter long trades after a confirmed breakout above resistance or short trades after a breakout below support. Fakeouts: a fakeout happens when the price breaks out briefly but quickly reverses. Always wait for confirmation before entering. 7. Candlestick patterns. Engulfing pattern: a reversal pattern where one candlestick completely engulfs the previous one. A bullish engulfing signals a potential buy, and a bearish engulfing signals a potential sell. Doji indicates market indecision and often precedes reversals or breakouts. Hammer and hanging man: hammer is bullish, while hanging man is bearish. Both indicate potential reversals near support or resistance levels. How to use: candlestick patterns are best used with other forms of analysis, such as support and resistance or trend lines, to confirm entry points. 8. Fibonacci retracement levels. How it works: the Fibonacci tool helps identify potential support and resistance levels where the market may reverse or continue its trend. Key levels include 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. How to use: look for buy opportunities near the 38.2% or 50% retracement levels during an uptrend, and sell opportunities near these levels during a downtrend.